In some basic navigation, zoom is a function that can allow you to move in and out pretty quickly across your session. So right now we're looking at the edit window, and what we'll notice is there are some really basic elements in terms of zoom on the corners down below. So if we just take a look here, you'll see that there's a plus and minus on this side and a plus and minus on that side. And if we hit those, watch as we work through our tracks, what this will do is the vertical one here allows us to see our tracks overall higher vertically. So like now all of a sudden our tracks are bigger going this way, which can help when we're doing edits. Sometimes we just need a good overview, so you want them smaller. And then in the same way, if we zoom this way, we're going to see, if we use this one, it's going to give us our horizontal zoom. And so that is a very quick way to move and maneuver. Another thing that can be done, though, a lot of times when we're working in an edit with a track, a lot of times we'll be real closely associated with that track, and we need to be able to bounce back out pretty quickly. And so if we go to the zoom tool up at the top, right now I have the selector tool, which is typically the main tool that I'm going to use. But if I double click really quickly on the zoomer, it'll bounce me out so I see all tracks to the full length. So watch, double click. And now I see the full layout of what is on the timeline here in the edit window. So now I can see everything again, even though for a while I was zoomed in. So again, we can zoom in this way and we can zoom in this way, and that gets us into a lot of those. Additionally, presets are available over here where these number functions are. So we can actually save to these memories, but there are already memories saved in here in terms of zoom functionality that allows us to work with that zoom. One additional element that can also be done is we can actually set up a zoom range with this little tool here. And what that'll do is it'll bounce us into a selected area. So let's just say we decided, this was going to be our selected range. It's just going to throw us in quickly to get a big view very fast, and then we can throw it back out. So if anything we highlight, we can hit this view in to just see it. So let's say, I want to work on my MIDI right here. I'm just going to hit this zoom toggle, and bam, we're in, and then I can toggle back out, and we're done.